Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best treadmill desks for work. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the treadmill desks for work in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best treadmill desks for work on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the EgoFit Walker Plus Compact Walking Treadmill. In case you haven't noticed, only a handful of under-desk treadmills offer an incline, and this is one of them. The GoFit Walker Plus Compact Walking Treadmill offers a 5% incline to give you the feeling of climbing up a hill. It doesn't quite rival the 0 to 15% incline range on most standard jogging machines, but for an under-the-desk treadmill, it's still a pretty impressive feature that replicates what it feels like to run outside and will help you engage more muscles. As for speed, this machine can get up to 3.73 miles per hour, which is middle of the road for treadmill desks. What's more, it comes fully assembled, has a low profile, and is backed by a 1-year warranty. Even though it comes at a steeper price than other under-the-desk treadmills, the incline and design of this one helps justify the higher cost. Number 9. Maxone Under-Desk Wooden Walking Pad. Eager to get a jump on the cozy cardio trend? Check out this under-desk treadmill from Maxone. It's the only one on the list that has cabin-inspired wooden accents, which gives it a cozier feel for a home office, or even a living room. It hits speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour, not so fast as to make you drip with sweat, but definitely enough to let you know that you're moving. There's a remote control you can use to adjust the speed, as well as a bright LED display so you can track your metrics. It also includes 12 different walking programs to keep your daily strolls interesting. Customers who've bought this treadmill say it hits all the right notes. Says one reviewer, "I am super happy with this purchase. It feels very durable and fairly high quality, and the belt has not had any alignment issues." Coming at number 8, Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Walking Tread Pad. If you're in search of an affordable, reliable treadmill with excellent safety features, you can't go wrong with the Sunny Health and Fitness Walking Tread Pad. This smart exercise machine includes a safety clip to detect when you step off it and will pause the running belt if no user is detected after a few seconds. If you have to hop off unexpectedly, you don't have to worry that it will stay on indefinitely. Those with small kids or pets at home will appreciate these safety features. It also saves energy and enters power save mode if the machine has been idle for 10 minutes. This option comes fully assembled, includes a wireless remote control, and is on wheels. It even has a large 14-inch monitor that measures your time, speed, calories burned, steps, and distance. The treadmill can be stored upright, and it easily fits under furniture as well. Another thing we love is how well this treadmill absorbs shock. Since it's easy on your knees, feet, and joints, it's a machine you'll feel comfortable using every day. Says one reviewer, "I purchased this little treadmill and, in combination with a standing desk, it has ended up being one of the best investments in personal health I could have made." Coming at number 7, Sparax Under-Desk Treadmill Walking Pad. At sub $200, this machine from Sparax makes under-desk treadmill exercise accessible to a pretty wide range of people. But the low price is just the beginning of reasons to consider it. It clocks in at just 40 pounds, making it one of the lightest machines we've evaluated. It would be a great gift for a grandparent who wants to increase their activity throughout the day without using anything too cumbersome. This treadmill hits speeds of up to 3.8 miles per hour, and you can use a remote to control the settings. Its LED screen displays your speed, calories, distance, and duration. And it's designed to be both shock-absorbing and noise-minimizing. Your joints and your ears will love it. Says one reviewer, "I recently purchased the Sparax walking pad, and I couldn't be happier with my choice. This under-desk treadmill has exceeded my expectations in every aspect." Number 6. Ume, under-desk treadmill with incline. Want a machine that's easy to move and store? This under-the-desk treadmill weighs just 55 pounds and has 2 convenient wheels. It's just 6 inches thick, making it one of the easiest treadmills to store upright against a wall. You won't work up a sweat moving it in and out of storage. The treadmill is fairly quiet, thanks to its multi-layered shock-absorbing running belt, but some users report that it gets louder with age. It supports up to 265 pounds in weight, includes a remote control, and reaches speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. The Ume treadmill comes in black, pink, or white if you're looking for something to match your home office's interior design. Says one reviewer, "As someone who consciously aims to hit 10,000 plus steps a day, this purchase was a no-brainer. Quiet and efficient, with 0 operational issues. I highly recommend it." Coming in at number 5, GoPlus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. If you want an exercise machine that will pull double duty as an under-the-desk treadmill and a jogging machine, the GoPlus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is right for you. It goes up to 2.5 miles per hour when its handrail is lowered, and up to 7.5 miles per hour when it's lifted, so you can really pick up some speed on this baby. The GoPlus, which is available in 7 different color options, features a stainless steel frame that's sure to hold up well over time. Go ahead and put it to the test daily. This treadmill can handle it. Besides that, the GoPlus offers an easy installation, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, a spot to rest your phone so you can read documents or take meetings, and a remote control for adjusting speed. It features a foldable design and built-in wheels for moving and storing it. Says one reviewer, "This walking pad is really fun to use and works well for the price. It was easy to put together, and you can slide it under a bed or couch when you aren't using it." Coming at number 4, HCC Sport Treadmill with Removable Desk Workstation. HCC Sport has created a desk treadmill that rivals the machines you'll find at a fitness center with the added advantage of a built-in workstation. It goes up to 8 miles per hour, features adjustable incline levels of up to 6%, and offers 12 preset high-impact interval training HIIT programs to take your fitness to the next level. When you want to use it while working, you can easily attach the desk workstation to create a surface for an iPad or laptop. It also folds up for easy storage, but it's worth noting that it weighs a whopping 85 pounds, so you probably won't want to move it around very often. Overall, users love how versatile, durable, and quiet this treadmill seems to be. Some customers also say it would make a great gift for a partner. Says one reviewer, "I'm highly satisfied with this purchase and am contemplating buying another one for my wife." Number 3. Walking Pad P1 Smart Desk Treadmill. For those looking for a super sleek treadmill that can easily slide under a couch after the workday is over, look no further than this option. It's extremely compact, yet still reaches speeds of nearly 4 miles per hour. The treadmill offers 3 methods of control: your feet, the included remote control, or via a downloadable smartphone app. It's not surprising that this treadmill earned the Red Dot Design Award. It's just 5 inches tall and can be folded in half, yet still packs a punch with its sturdy frame and decent speed capabilities. Plus, its ultra-quiet motor is perfect for an office setting. Your colleagues won't even know you're squeezing in some steps during your meetings. Most Amazon reviewers remark that its walking surface is incredibly spacious, which impressed one reviewer who is over 6 feet tall. Customers say they've increased their step count big time since getting this treadmill. Says one reviewer, "I'm kicking myself for not getting the walking pad sooner. I've had it a week and I'm averaging 20,000 steps a day. Truly such a game changer in your mental and physical health." Coming at number 2, Rhythm Fun Under-Desk Walking Treadmill. This versatile, space-saving treadmill can be used in 2 different ways. Fold its integrated handrail down, and it becomes the perfect under-the-desk treadmill for strolling up to 3.7 miles per hour. Raise the handrails upward, and you can go for a swift run. The belt maxes out at 7.5 miles per hour in that position. The treadmill absorbs shocks and has noise reduction tech on board. Even though the treadmill is heavier than some other under-the-desk machines we've seen, the weight doesn't seem to bother users. Says one customer, "I love how light it is, yet it feels sturdy, too. I'm not very strong, I can't even do a push-up, but it was so easy for me to unpack and move it by myself." Number 1. Go Youth 2-in-1. Under-desk electric treadmill. There are plenty of good reasons the Go Youth under-desk treadmill has gone viral on TikTok. It has a durable steel frame, a multi-layer belt that helps lessen noise, and a wireless Bluetooth speaker on board so you can listen to music while you exercise. No need to bend down every time you want to adjust the speed. This treadmill comes with its own remote control. Use it to set a consistent speed or toggle through preset variable speed programs to keep you on your toes. The Go Youth treadmill reaches a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour, which should be fast enough to cover a bit of distance as you use it throughout the day. It also has a large LED display that shows your time, calories burned, steps taken, speed, and distance traveled. With a price often below $400, the Go Youth stretches your dollar further than other treadmills. It's also worth noting that this treadmill comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, so if any unwelcome surprises pop up, you should be covered. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best treadmill desks for work. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.